This instruction is used to apply 3 different commands to the file system. The first is format. This will remove all files or folders on the RAM file system. The format option is not valid for the SD card file system. Dismount prepares the SD card for extraction. It closes all the files, ends all outstanding file operations, and the memory light on the BRX CPU will turn red. The mount prepares the SD card file system for use. With the card installed and the mount function triggered, the memory light on the BRX CPU will turn green. Now, this instruction can be used in a task or program, but cannot be used in subroutines or interrupt service routines. Now, only the BRX CPUs has the SD card file system, but all DoMORs have a usable RAM file system if they have above version 2.0 firmware.